Welcome, welcome. You have come to the right place. Today we're going to discuss why Black women are burning out. Did you know that our ancestors did not survive slavery, colonization, and racism for us to die from stress, from disease, from silence and disconnect? You see, Black women are the backbone of families, of communities. But many of us, y'all, are exhausted to the bone. In this video, we're going to show you how to do a reset. This reset is going to definitely be one rooted in ancestral wisdom to restore your mind, your emotions, your body, and your spirit. You see, this channel is for Black women 30 and above that want spirit, mind, body, and emotional healing. And this healing is transformational in nature. So let's talk about it. Why are Black women burning out? We have generationally survived enslavement, Jim Crow, migration, and just the modern hustle culture, right? We have gone through this strong Black woman persona, both as resilience and burden. We're dealing with chronic stress. We've got too much cortisol in our systems. Our bodies are highly inflamed. We're disease-ridden. And then there's the loss of ancestral rhythms. We need rest, y'all. We need communal support. We're lacking in the knowledge and use of herbal medicines. And definitely, we have lost our rhythm when it comes to living naturally. And yes, then there is capitalism, racism, patriarchal living. This is extracting Black women's labor and emotional energy. Many times I see in my clients how this historical reality is taking hold and getting them to a point where they're feeling distraught, beat down. And surely we have another way. And you see it, you know it. You're tired, but you can't sleep. You're gaining belly weight. Even when you eat healthy, you're feeling irritable, disconnected from joy, from prayer, from purpose. And oh man, the diseases, let's talk about them. High blood pressure, diabetes, high-risk pregnancy, anxiety, depression. So please, type ancestral rest in the comments if any of this is relating to you. So, I've got a plan for you. Week 1, let's return to rhythm. Can we do that? Let's return to rhythm. Let's have some daily quiet time like our elders had. Let's start the day off with prayer, libation, meditation. Let's not jump on our phones and our devices the first thing in the morning. Let's just take in some breaths. That overstimulation is not good for the body, mind, and spirit. Consider earlier bedtime to honor your circadian rhythms I often say, when the sun comes up, you should come up. When the sun goes down, you should go down. Week 2, let's return to the earth, y'all. Food really is medicine. Let's add one whole food that's plant-based to our meals. Try something green that you've never had before. Or make some greens that you haven't made in a long time. Include a salad, some collard greens, some quinoa. What about herbal teas? Try some mint tea, some ginger tea, some hibiscus tea, even some dandelion tea. Have you tried this one? I have. It is fabulous. What about walking barefoot on the grass or soil? Or even walking barefoot inside your home if you've got a nice wooden floor. Something that grounds you to nature, the earth, or natural fiber. That's like earthing for stress reset. And week number 3, let's reset our minds, right? Come with some affirmations rooted in African identity and worth, right? Some African proverbs even would work wonders for your mind. How about even looking in the mirror and saying, I love you. We've got a beautiful day ahead of us. We can do this. As opposed to holding the trauma in, journal about it. Release it on paper. Don't hold it in. And do this one. This is a big one. Say no to one more draining obligation. If you set your goals, and it's important that you do so, it's a lot clearer to know what to say no to and what to say yes to. So if it's not furthering your goals, your aims, your dreams, say no. Take it off your plate. Set boundaries for yourself. These are healthy boundaries, right? And these honor you and create a level of respect from others. The final week, week 4, and this is going to lead you to your 30-day reset. Return to joy and community. Oh, yes. Create a sacred day of rest. For me, it's Friday. What is it for you? Monday? Friday? Sunday? Create a sacred day of rest for you when you get to collect your thoughts and just kind of tune in to what you need, what you're feeling. Rest. And as you're returning to community and joy, do something that the ancestors taught us to do long time ago. Drum, dance, sing, laugh, move your body. This is ancestral therapy at its highest and finest, yes. And lastly, connect with the elders. Connect with the children. Join a healing circle. Call up your sister and say, hey, I just wanted to check in and I need your ear. Is that okay? And your sister, she will say yes, because she's your sister. I want you to remember who you were before Western culture rewrote our lifestyle. That is so important. So this is what you want to do. Keep in mind that you want to have more energy You want to lower your stress. You want better sleep. You want reduced inflammation. You want to feel connected to the ancestors, to your family, to your friends, and to those you care about. And more importantly, as I talked about last time, you want to break generational curses, right? And the way you do that is to focus on wellness and what brings you joy. I never will forget one of my clients. She told me that she stopped just innocently. She was driving and she stopped at a traffic light. And the man looked over at her and he just said something so simple, but it just lifted her day. He said, "You are so beautiful." And she wasn't feeling particularly beautiful that day, but that one statement made her day because it was a nice compliment that came unexpectedly out of the blue when she wasn't necessarily looking or feeling her best. So this is just one way of many that you can reclaim your joy. And it doesn't have to come from an external source. You get to say how you feel and how you show up in the world. Yeah, you do. Now I want you to do something for me. Remember, comment Ancestral Reset if you've decided to reclaim your health lineage, right? Please share this video with a sister, an auntie, a daughter who simply carries too much. Like, subscribe, share, and definitely try some of the things that we're suggesting to you in this video, right? And please do visit my bio for coaching and resources that may be of help to you, all right? Love and light, y'all. Take good care.